So if you went into my documents of your calculator, in other words, that's the home button, and browse, two for browse, or if you've got an older one, my documents, somewhere in there will be a folder, year 9 folder with exams, and there'll be a program called Financial Maths. So, and when you open it up, you'll get these 6 pages. And there it is, simple interest. Okay, so especially if you are doing the modified program, you are allowed to use your calculator. So let's have a quick look at how it works. So we go to 1.2. Remember, only the area that's in yellow do you enter. And here we are. We have the simple interest in dollars, the principal, okay, that's P for principal, R for rate, time for years. So, and that's very simply, if I invest $3,000 for 2 years, and I'll delete that, and I'll put in, say, for at 6%, it'll work out how much interest I'll earn, $360. And at the same time, it'll tell me how much I will get back altogether. That's my $3,000 plus the $360 interest. And later on, you might have to work out, for instance, the interest rate. For instance, we might have 3 years. And in that 3 years, we only want to invest $2,000, and we want to work it out so that we have $500 in interest. So if I was to go to a bank, I'll need to, let's see, press Control Enter. Let's see if it gives us a decimal. No, doesn't give me a decimal. See if you can work it out how we can make that into a decimal. But it's obviously about 8%. So that's simple interest. Going back to page 1, we just did some exercises on percentage of quantities. So you might want to go back. And if you struggle with that, you can now use your calculator. So here we have percentage, 15% of $200 is $30. Okay, and or what percentage is 30 of 200? It's 15%. 15% of $200 equals 30. Or if we have a quantity of 200 and we end up with 30 out of 200, we have 15%. So all you have to do is simply, what's 10% of $2,500? And the answer, of course, is 250. If I have $1,500 left after originally having $3,000, then the percentage was 50% spend. So that's percentage of. And the other one we were looking at is discount or markup. Let's go to that one. Number 2. No, number 3. All right, so here we have, again, your original amount. So if I buy something that was originally for $100, and we sell it for $150, we have so original selling 150, and I don't know why it didn't work. Maybe when we get back, I'll check that out. But unfortunately, I'll need to sit in some time with you. But certainly, you can use the simple interest one on page 2. It works really well. Have a good go at that, please. And that's for everybody who happened to get it downloaded onto their calculator.